Welcome to Thursday Train. Today I'm just going to be pulling some prints and having some fun. So sit back and watch, and I'll see you at the end. We'll talk about what we did for the day. So here we go. Okay, let's talk a little bit about what I've done here this afternoon. I've got several prints. The main print that I had, I'll show last. These are the experimentation side of things. These two over here, I'm actually kind of happy with. They do have some depth. They have some things going on. And I certainly can see, if I went in and I did some more printing on them, how they could work out extremely well. This is my runoff for the last there, and I kind of really like that a lot, and I'm going to do something with that. Over here is another couple that I did. I was looking to start to add layer on top of layer, and that happened there, which is kind of was a pleasant surprise that it actually came out as well as it did. This one has about 4 layers on top of it. It kind of got, because of the opacity of the paints, they kind of got lost, but I think I can use that anyhow. Over on this side, these are my when I was going for ghost prints, and this is one of the ones that came out well. And these work real well if you're doing collage work and you want to put something down just for a background. This will basically, it won't be white as much once you adhere it to your page. You'll take on the back because it's fairly transparent. You can see behind there that it's fairly transparent. So all of these have that ability that I could put them behind and create another layer of texture. This has a couple of them. I didn't really mean to do that, but hey, it works. Let's say that first one I did of the flower print, and that was actually the first one I did entirely on this piece. That was just to get some of the paint off. Okay, let's get over here. I'll start with that. I'll leave that for last. This was kind of an experiment. I was trying to see if I could pull some of the blue off. You can see the outlines of my flower in here. And this one, yeah, I'm meh about it. I'm not unhappy, but I could use it if I expound on it a little bit more. This one has several layers. It's a little hard to see. The red was on the bottom. The blue is more of an opaque color, and so it's really hard to see through, but you can. It's there. Same thing here. I'm really not sure what this paper is because it has a waxy feel to it, so it could possibly be butcher paper, but it's not because it's real thin. Again, that was just so that I could get some of the paint off for ghost print, and that was kind of the other side of that. So put them next to each other, you can see that they are. Okay, now over to where main work I got done today. This one has multiple layers. What happened is my gel print plate got dirty, and so I cleaned it off. And as you can see, everything I had been working on did come through. The colors came through. So I'm not unhappy about the possibilities with this one. It just needs some more layers to it. This is the main print I did, and I just kept on laying layers on top of layers. And you can see them under there. I mean, they're there. They're all present. That final red layer is what shows up the most. So I got my mask out, so you can see if I framed this and if I masked it off, it might be something that would be usable and as a piece of a standalone piece of art. It has a lot of depth. I mean, there are tons of depth to this. Don't know that it's coming across because most of you can see is some wet, but I'm not unhappy with that. So I hope you got something out of this today, and I would invite you, please, if you haven't already done so, to click that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. And this has been Thursday Train. So up next is going to be Just Janice, followed by Art by Julie E. So stick around. Let's see what they come up with. That's it for me today. So bye for now.